Hello students, today we will start the new chapter, Human Eye and the Colorful World. You can see a picture in the screen of the human eye. You have to draw this picture and you have to label all the parts clearly. Please try to memorize all the labelings. The diagram of eye is important. Now let us learn about the diagram, some important points. The human eye. The human eye is the sense organs which helps us to see the colorful world around us. The human eye is like a camera. Its lens system forms an image on a light sensitive screen called retina. The eyeball is almost spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.3 centimeter. Light enters the eye through a transparent membrane called cornea. Behind the cornea is a muscular diaphragm called iris, which has an opening called pupil. The pupil controls the amount of light entering the eye. The eye lens helps to focus the image of the object on the retina. The ciliary muscles helps to change the curvature of the lens and to change its focal length. Dear students, you must remember the functions of all these red color highlighted words. Now, the working of eye. The eye lens forms a real inverted image of the object on the retina. The light sensitive cells in the retina then produce electrical signals which are carried by the optical nerves to the brain. The brain processes the information and sends the message to the eye, and then we see the object. Our brain corrects the image which was formed inverted in the retina. Now, power of accommodation of eye. The ability of the eye lens to see both near and distant objects by adjusting its focal length is called the power of accommodation of the eye. The eye lens is composed of a fibrous jelly-like material. Its curvature can be changed to some extent by the ciliary muscles. The change in the curvature of the eye lens can change its focal length. When the muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thin and its focal length increases. And when the muscles contract, the lens becomes thick and its focal length decreases. You must remember that the connection between the eye lens and the eye muscles, that is ciliary muscles, are just opposite. That when the muscles are relaxed, the lens become thin, and when the muscles are contracted, the lens become thick. So please note this point. Now, near point. The minimum distance at which the eye can see object clearly is called the near point, or least distance or of distinct vision. For a normal eye, it is almost 25 centimeter. Below 25 centimeter, if you place any object to see, then of course you can see, but it will won't be as clear as when it is kept at 25 centimeter. Farsightedness, there is no limit up to what extent we can see. It depends upon the capacity of our eye. So there is no far point of the eye. defects in the vision, myopia and hypermetropia. Both these topics have been eliminated from your course for this session, but you must remember, please go through the screen once. The defect and the correction: myopic eye, that is, image is forming in front of the retina, and the correcting lens is concave lens. And for hypermetropia, the image is forming behind the eye, and the correcting lens used is convex lens. So these are the two topics that has been eliminated, but you must know for your knowledge. It will be helpful for you in higher classes. Next one is the presbyopia. It is a disease which is being corrected by using a bifocal lens. That means that disease, you can say, combination of both myopia and hypermetropia can be regarded as presbyopia, and the correcting lens is a bifocal lens. Thank you for this much. Thank you.